Hi, yo, what's up? So today I'm gonna be doing the codex here at, I think it's a side quest, and it's called, okay, it's an appendix, and I'm gonna do this one called Sing Lunar-Bell. So I have to speak with Theodor at the Great Sage Tree. So let's just go right there and do this. Okay.
What to do.
Okay, Theodor is right. Okay, so he's right here. I think that's what it is. Okay, Sing Lunar-Bell. Okay, speak with Theodor. That's what it is. Okay.
Oh, adventurer! Funnily enough, you found me in yet another tricky situation involving Wolpertingers. Still, good to see you again.
What are you doing here?
Oh, I came to fix this distin called Lunar-Bell. I was hoping my expertise would help smooth things over after my last visit with the Wolpertingers.
Okay,
But
next.
while flying over here with the parts, I got caught in a tree branch and dropped everything right into the center of the ogre's village. I tried to retrieve them, but
Okay, so I have to
was
get
outside
something, I think.
first. Apparently, ogres collect anything shiny.
Okay.
Distant parts are so hard to find, not to mention pricey.
Do you need help?
Since I can't fix Lunar-Bell without them.
Do you need help?
Do that? Huh? I'd be in your debt once again. I'll be counting on you then.
I'll be back. Okay, so I have to defeat ogre that likes shiny things. Okay, so let me see where this is. Okay, it's pretty much anywhere. Okay. Okay, it's a big circle, big purple circle. Ogre that likes shiny things. Okay, those are okay. It's those over there, I think. Okay, this one is one of them. They have a purple mark over their head. Okay. So I killed one. I don't think I have to kill them. It's not them. I don't need them. I need this one. Okay, here we go. Deliver the repair parts to Theodor. Dude, is that it? If so, that's pretty simple. Okay. Deliver it to this guy.
Ah, my favorite adventurer. You found all the parts?
Here they are.
Excellent. Now, watch a master at work. Stand back and take notes. You don't see this every day.
Sure. See this. Speak with Theodor at the Great Sage Tree and enter the barrier. Okay, so I have to speak with him again.
Good. This requires some very delicate mana manipulation. I'm going to cast a barrier to block out any distractions.
Okay.
Are you ready? Then I'll cast the barrier.
Let's see this. Oh. What's happening? Oh! Ting, ting, ting!
All right, put this here, that there. Turn this clockwise, turn this counterclockwise. All right, Wolpertingers, behold your perfectly restored Lunar-Bell. Hurrah!
Oh! There you go.
Well, that was unexpected.
You killed
Oh.
Lunar-Bell 3.
That looks bad.
Tinger, what have you done, Ting?
Ting, ting.
Prison, 1,000 years in prison, Ting.
Haha, he's go back to prison. Oh my god. Mana is aggregating where the parts were replaced, causing it to overload. Touch the overload area. Okay. Maybe this can be used to calm down the mana overload. What? Okay, I have to repair? Okay, here we go. Ah, there we go. Okay, it worked.
Oh, Janice's friend fixed it, Ting. This troublesome toad Tinger must pay for his crimes, Ting.
Well, all's well that ends well, eh? Till next time.
Oh, you got it.
After being released from prison, Theodor
Okay,
tried
so
to
I
curry
think
favor
that's
with the
pretty much
Warpatingers
it.
by repairing Lunar-Bell. He misplaced a key component, and the Warpatingers began to distrust him. Then Lunar-Bell exploded, infuriating them further. The Warpatingers were overjoyed when he managed to repair Lunar-Bell, and Theodor took the opportunity to flee.
Ding-de-ding! Lunar-Bell is singing again!
Okay, so I guess I'm done. Is it over? I guess that's over. Let's see this. Yep. Okay, it's completed. That was it. All right. Peace.